What is your favorite color?
Color is pink.
Pink. How about what is your favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Rabbit?
Yes.
Consistent ka, ha? How about what is your favorite place to go? Beach or hotel?
Hotel.
Hotel?
Yes.
What is your favorite food?
Bow.
Bao?
Yes.
Oh, like siopaw?
Yes.
What is your favorite drink?
Nothing. Not healthy.
Yeah, drink. Don't pull it. Juice? Coca-Cola?
Juice.
Juice? What is your favorite?
Me continue. Cause your payo. I could not do your this me continue him there. Like